Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monia and today we will be doing a review on this palette. I'm going to be swatching it and I'm going to walk you through this entire look that I did, talk about the pros and the cons of this, and then at the end you will see how I got to this look as well as my overall review on the product and if I would recommend it. If interested, keep watching and I'm about to turn into Booty Monia. So here is the palette. This is Poisonberry, Blue Delilah, Raisin, Linen, Flint. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. Here is Poisonberry. This is very creamy and smooth and buttery. Next is Blue Dahlia. I said Delilah earlier. Sorry. That's a very pretty duochrome. Haven't really seen a color like that either. Then there is Raisin. Linen. These are very creamy, smooth, buttery. They're also talc free, which I love. This is Linen. And then last but not least, Flint. They don't feel like dusty or dry. Anyways, so those were the swatches. So I'm gonna go ahead and start playing with these colors. We're gonna dip into Flint. Okay, so here we go. A little bit of kick up. I'm like, oh, mirror. Jeez. Okay, so that's the only thing that I don't like about it is it doesn't have a mirror, but for 25 bucks, and it's Natasha Denona, can't complain. So I'm gonna start putting this in my crease as my transitions shade. Oh, and I'm using my M433 brush. It's a very like raspy, fluffy brush. So this is blending out phenomenally. Like this is stunning. I love it. There's no patchiness. The color is buildable. This is M441. I'm like showing you the end. Yeah, that's helpful. M441. I'm just blending out the edges really. With a smaller brush, so I can have more control and precision when applying it. I'm gonna go into Raisin. So I'm gonna place this in the outside corner. Wow, that is pigment. I'm gonna start lightly blending it out, but not too much. I want to keep it concentrated right here. And I'm gonna go back in with the M441, and this is just to kind of blend it all together. And now I'm gonna go into Poisonberry. It's like a purple pink. And I'm gonna bring this more so towards the center of the eye. And now I'm gonna go in my M443, blend this outer edge right here. Wow, that's stunning. And with my M562, I'm gonna touch into Raisin and Poisonberry, blend those two colors together and really just emphasize the deep depth and the deepness of this corner right here. Wow, the gradient and the blendability of it is just stunning. There is absolutely no patchiness to it. The color lays very beautifully. When you place it in an area, like a lot of product, it's easy for you to blend it out. So I know that's sometimes a concern for me is when I put too much product in like one area, it's like, uh-oh, how do I blend this out? And you really can't. So that whole eye look can go bad very, very quickly. So I appreciate that. I'm gonna go in with Blue Delilah and put it all over the lid. I'm gonna see how it lays when I just use my E32 brush. That's really pretty. I think of course it'd always be better if I use my finger or wet it. I'm gonna use my finger and see how it applies that way. I'm living for this color. Look at that. It's already like 10 times more intense. Oh, my lid feels so creamy and buttery. It's like crazy. I can't even get in the corner of my eye because my nail's so long. That is so beautiful. So now I'm going to go in with my smaller blending detailed brush, my M562, and touch into Flint. I was going to say linen. I'm like, we haven't touched that color yet. And I'm going to blend this area a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to go into Raisin and build out that outer crease again. And then Poison Berry, that beautiful purple. I'm going to really focus most of that color on the outer crease. That is stunning. I look like I just got punched in the eye. And then lastly, I'm going to get some Blue Dahlia and blend it into Poison Berry to like really marry the colors together. Now you can see there's a little bit of fallout, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, I almost forgot. Flint! Girl, I'm tripping today. Okay, so now with Flint, which is this very pretty champagne gold color, I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush, E24, and I'm gonna lay this in the corner of my eye as well as highlight my brow bone. With that pencil brush, I'm going to go into Flint and I'm going to start building out the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with the smudger brush and dip into Poison Berry. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye off camera and then be right back with my full face of makeup, assess the Natasha Denona Mini Lila Palette, and go from there. Be right back. Alright, I am back at it. This is the final look with the face fully done. This is the first time I actually tried one of her products and I am really impressed by the quality of her shadows. I got this one in particular because I love the color palette and the theme of the colors. You create an entire look, as you see here, with this entire palette. So I am really living for it. The pigment is there, it's blendable, it's not patchy, and it's buildable. There's very little fallout. I wouldn't say there's none because there is some fallout, but it's very minimal. These colors are amazing, and this blue one, I recommend applying it, the Blue Dahlia, with a finger. That is the best way to pack a punch with this pigment. Would I recommend this? Hell yes. I love this. I'm super excited. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye guys. I don't really give a if I was just the only one who likes that.